Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In the previous lecture, we learned how to declare variables using var, let, and const. In this lecture, we are going to focus on something very important, and that is variable naming rules and best practices. Choosing good variable names is essential because it makes your code easier to read, understand, and maintain. So by the end of this lesson, you will know the correct rules for naming variables and how to write clean professional code. So what is a variable name? A variable name is simply the name that you give to a variable so you can refer to it later in your code. So let's have an example. So we can declare a variable. This is a variable age. So in this scenario, age is the variable name, and we are going to assign 25 as our value. JavaScript has strict rules that you must follow when naming variables. Let's go through them one by one. So one of the rules is that it is a must that the variable name starts with a letter, an underscore, or a $sign. So a letter can be A to Z. So let's look at some example of valid variable names. So let's have another example. So we can have let first name equal to Paul. So this is a first example. We can start the same name. So let's redeclare let. So we can start with an underscore first name equal to John. So we can have another example, let last name. So this time round, instead of an underscore, we can start with a $sign. So all of these three examples are valid ways of naming variables. So we can call this Emily. So since we've looked at the valid